Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Mamaearth promo codes in 2025. So as you can see that currently I'm on mamaearth.in website, and over here if you take a look at these slides, you will see that this is the last sale of the year in which you can get any three products for only 899 rupees, and for that you need to use this coupon code, that is get3. So if you are interested in it, you can just simply create your account, and at the time of checkout you need to use this coupon code and you are done. In my opinion, this is one of the best coupon codes that you can get. However, if you are looking for some other coupon codes, let's say flat 90 um, 90% off, so you can just open the new tab and search for Mamaearth promo codes 2025. After that, you just have to simply use the website's link, and you just have to open them in a new tab. Then you just have to go to the websites one by one in order to check if there is any coupon code in which you are interested. So this one is saying that you can get 100% cash back. So if you are interested in it and want to try it out, click on the get coupon code option, and then it will show you this coupon code. So you need to just copy and go to Mamaearth and paste the coupon code at the time of checkout. So you can do that, and you can check whether it is working or not. Similarly, you can come to grabon.in and choose the coupon code in which you are interested and use that on Mamaearth at the time of checkout. So this is how you can get Mamaearth's exclusive promo codes in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.